Sound Advice with Marcia and Dr. Rick.
Hey, Marcia.
Yes.
What have you got?
From Brenda,
Okay.
who writes, I've been divorced for almost 4 years. I was the victim of my husband being unfaithful.
Okay.
We have 3 kids together, all now out of the house. He and I talk several times a week, even though he has a girlfriend. I've not been able to find someone special after all these years, and I am dependent on my ex financially. I do have a fear of rocking the boat. I want to move on. What do you think I should do? What does that mean, I want to move on?
I think that what she's saying in this letter is that she is still, at least the way I read this is, I'm still very attached to my husband. I think that what she's saying is, I have not really resolved the end of my marriage, that I'm still attached, and I think she's making some serious mistakes. I think part of the reason she hasn't found somebody special is because she's doing things that are still keeping her so involved with this guy.
All right, so why does he still... You know, it's interesting. He's got a girlfriend, yet he calls her 3 times a week. So they are still attached. That still is the primary relationship. Now, I know that the girlfriend didn't write in, but if I were the girlfriend, I would not be happy with this relationship that he has with his wife.
But I would be saying to Brenda, if she's serious about really wanting to move on and resolve this, she's got to break this off. And I think she's not got to live in so much fear either about losing him. She talks about it financially. I think it's more emotionally. And there is no reason, if these kids are grown up, that they're talking several times a week? Why?
Look, he has a legal obligation, apparently financially. So then she has to say to him, look, I want to move on. I don't want to be worried about the financial part of this, but we need to stop being as close as we are. I need to stop talking to you 3 times a week. I do need to remove myself emotionally from you.
I think you're right.
And that's going to be a tough thing for her to do, because she clearly feels that he takes care of her.
I think you're right.
Yeah.
And also whether she's still feeling, as she uses the word, victimized by what he did, and still feeling that he broke a promise and she's still waiting for her to make it up.
He's being a little unfaithful
to this girlfriend.
New lady.
I agree.
So write us, new lady, because we have some advice for you.
But I think your point is right. I think that what Brenda's needing to do is to make a declaration of her own independence.
Okay.
And those steps are clear.
Absolutely correct.
Okay.
Very sound advice. And if you would like some sound advice, write to us here at ktala.com/soundadvice. And we hope to see you next time.